Hello everybody! Today I'm going to speak in this video 5 mistakes that all marketers are doing on WeChat. The 5 typical mistakes that all of our clients are doing, most of the company are doing. The first mistake that most of the company are doing is like they think that WeChat is a great tool for increase your exposure and your visibility. Actually not. It's not like this. I know what you think. You expect that WeChat is a little bit like Facebook or like most of the social media. You can really get massive exposure, you can get visibility. But actually, the real truth, it is not. WeChat is a very close ecosystem. It's a closed social media and it's not for massive visibility. It's the contrary. It's for close relationship between you and the other. Actually, you don't get on WeChat a followers. You get a subscriber. It's very different. Let me explain you why. Followers on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, or whatever will not always see your post. But on WeChat, these people accept by following your account to receive one push to their personal account. So it's a little bit like emailing. They accept to receive one emailing every week or every 2 weeks to your account. So to get one subscriber on WeChat, actually it's very powerful. And the expectation of most of our clients is to have massive numbers of followers on WeChat that they will not have. It's more close, it's smaller, it's like your subscriber to a newsletter is growing step by step. The number 2 mistake that brands and companies are doing on WeChat, it's about advertising. What all people want is to advertise on WeChat. And we know by experience that today the advertising systems on WeChat is not very good. It's not very efficient. Why? Because the cost is high and the efficiency is low. So when the cost is high, the efficiency is low, you don't get results. You don't get good results. Today, there is some brands who advertise on WeChat using WeChat Moments. The ticket to entries is extremely high and it's very difficult to get engagement, to get people who just click engagement and to measure the results. So personally, I doesn't like it much. I think it can be improved. Maybe later it will improve. I'm pretty sure that WeChat will leverage this before. But today is not something that we advise to our clients. There is other way to advertise on WeChat. You can appear on the bottom of the article, something like this, but it's the same. It's not efficient at all. So it's better for you to invest in influencers on WeChat. It's better to invest in group sharing on WeChat. It's better to interact with people. It's better to put your QR code to your offline store, on your name card, on your website to bring traffic out of WeChat to your channel. That's better. That's much better. So advertising, usually it's complicated on WeChat. Most of companies, when they come, when the marketer, they want to advertise, they have a massive campaign, but it's the wrong way. You need to be patient and grow organically. Yeah, it takes time, but that's the only way. Mistake number 3. It's poor content. Poor content on WeChat doesn't work. So you will tell me what is good content, what is bad content, and that's the questions. That's the question that everybody is asking. The only questions that matters is like, does this content fit to your audience? And if the answer is yes, if they like it, if they're able to share it, that's a good content. And it's not the content that what you think, because you are a brand, you only want to speak about yourself, your brand, your life, but it's not what they expect to have. They expect to have what the benefit they will have. They expect to have a lifestyle, an environment. They expect to have stories. They expect to have something interesting for them, not for you. And that's where most of problems are. Yeah, I know it's difficult. You are the brand, you want to speak about themselves, and you want that people love you, but people will love you if you have a lifestyle, if you have a context, if you have something interesting to show. So we are here to help. It's a long process of learning most of the time, but after a certain time you will understand what your audience really like. And after when you understand that, you get it. Let me move to the mistake number 4. Community management. So most of people who are marketing on WeChat will expect to do advertising or promotions on WeChat, but actually the most effective way, it's community management. So focus on your community. And your community are in groups. There is a lot of groups in WeChat speaking about different topics. A lot of people are sharing information on the group. A lot of people might be engaged in your brand. So if you leverage them, they will speak in a positive way and will recommend this brand to your people. So instead of focus on yourself, focus on your community. So sometimes it's better to create groups and let the people talk in the groups, asking some questions. And then it will be interesting for you to know what they think about you, to understand their questions, and it will give you a lot of ideas, a lot of great content. Mistake number 5. Use WeChat in the wrong way. So most of people may use WeChat as a social media, but actually it's not only a social media. You can use WeChat the same as you use your website, as a bottom part of the funnel. So WeChat is not just a place for people to see you, but it's more a nurturing place. It's more the place that they know you somewhere and they want to keep learning about you. They want to know more about yourself, about your brand story. So think of WeChat as a way to sensitive your potential customer, your target. Think about a way to provide them information. So the mistake that people think about WeChat is to think short term. They want to get results in 2 months, 3 months. Actually, it's not. No way. You will have results in 6 months, the first result. In 1 year, start to be good. It's a long-term process. So if you want to work on WeChat, you have to be patient, you have to be consistent, keep working, keep learning, keep improving, keep nurturing, keep giving information to your clients. Even if today it doesn't pay, it will pay later. It's a long-term process. If you like this video, I will really appreciate if you can give me a like. And if you see other mistakes that most other people are doing, I would be very happy if you can write it in the comments. And if you give us like other tools or other solutions, other tips, please welcome to share it in the comments. I really want in this video to have more information in the comment that it can also help me to know about what you think, what your tips are, something like this. We have a WeChat white book where we give all the tips for marketers, and it is free to download. You just click on the link below, you give emails, and you can get this book for free. It's a lot of tips that we give. We have worked for WeChat for more than 6 years, and we are very happy to share some tips to all of you guys.